Number 1. 1966 Chevrolet C10, $3,900, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 is an affordable entry into the highly collectible first-generation C10 market. Powered by the original 283 cubic inch V8, paired with a classic 3-speed column shift manual transmission, it retains much of its vintage character. The seller recommends an engine swap, making this truck an excellent candidate for enthusiasts wanting to install a more powerful small block while preserving its classic appearance. The body is straight, with only moderate rust in the quarter panels and beneath the doors, while numerous recent upgrades, including new Cooper tires, aluminum radiator, battery, lighting, and serviced brakes, significantly increase its value. A clean Colorado title with 5-year collector registration makes this a practical restoration project with strong long-term appeal. Number 2. 1989 Ford F250 XLT Lariat, $1,234, La Crosse, Wisconsin. Finding a full-size Ford F250 with the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 at this price is exceptionally rare. This XLT Lariat features an automatic transmission, an 8-foot bed, and reportedly low mileage of 71,234 miles. The truck is described as solid and tough, making it suitable for heavy hauling, restoration, or daily work duties. The 460 engine is widely respected for its tremendous torque and durability, making these trucks popular among collectors who appreciate late 1980s Ford heavy-duty pickups. With a clean title and reasonable condition, it represents excellent value. Number 3. 1955 Ford F100 Custom Cab Pickup, $2,500, Roseburg, Oregon. This 1955 Ford F100 Custom Cab is being offered primarily as a restoration project or parts donor. Equipped with the desirable 292 cubic inch Y-block V8, a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, and numerous extra parts, it provides an excellent foundation for rebuilding. The complete body, additional front fenders, and included components add considerable value despite the detached bed and missing bed wood. The second-generation F100 remains one of Ford's most iconic classic pickups, and completed restorations continue to command strong market prices. For an experienced restorer, this project offers substantial potential. Number 4. 1968 Dodge D100 Sweptline, $5,000, Lake Oswego, Oregon. The 1968 Dodge D100 Sweptline is a classic Mopar pickup that has become increasingly desirable among collectors, thanks to its distinctive styling and rugged construction. This truck retains its original 318 cubic inch V8, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, featuring a granny low first gear, making it ideal for light hauling or weekend cruising. The body has honest patina with some rust but no perforation, while the dashboard and gauges remain in excellent condition. Although the carburetor could benefit from rebuilding, and the drivetrain has a slight vibration around 30 miles per hour, this largely unmodified truck offers an excellent foundation for a sympathetic restoration or preservation project. Number 5. 1967 Ford F600 dump truck, $4,000, Great Falls, Montana. Built for heavy-duty work, this 1967 Ford F600 dump truck continues to perform its intended purpose with dependable reliability. Equipped with a manual transmission and a functional dump bed, it starts consistently and all major systems reportedly operate correctly. While the brakes will require attention in the near future, the truck remains fully usable for farm, ranch, or construction projects. Classic medium-duty Ford trucks are admired for their robust chassis and straightforward mechanical design, making this an affordable vintage workhorse with practical value. Number 6. 1987 Toyota pickup XtraCab SR5 Turbo 4-wheel drive, $3,250, Bellflower, California. This 1987 Toyota pickup XtraCab SR5 Turbo is one of the most collectible compact trucks of the 1980s. Powered by the factory turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine and backed by a 5-speed manual transmission with a dual-range transfer case, it delivers legendary Toyota durability along with impressive off-road capability. Factory equipment includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, alloy wheels, manually locking hubs, and a sunroof. Despite showing 216,000 miles, the truck comes with a clean California title and a damage-free vehicle history, making it an exceptional value for enthusiasts seeking a rare and well-equipped Toyota classic. Number 7. 1989 Ford F150 Ranger XLT Lariat, $3,900, Paulden, Arizona. This 1989 Ford F150 Ranger XLT Lariat combines dependable V8 performance with premium trim features. Its proven 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission deliver reliable everyday usability, while factory power windows, power door locks, and air conditioning enhance comfort. Recent maintenance includes a new radiator, fan clutch, and cooling hoses, and the truck's rust-free body provides an excellent platform for restoration. Although it needs cosmetic improvements such as upholstery, headliner, muffler, windshield, and seat belts, it remains a solid classic pickup with considerable potential. Number 8. 1987 Ford F250 XLT Lariat 4-wheel drive, $2,950, Lake Stevens, Washington. This farm-used 1987 Ford F250 is powered by Ford's legendary 7.5-liter 460 cubic inch V8 and features 4-wheel drive for serious utility. While it has been off the road since 2017 and currently requires towing, the seller has already replaced numerous ignition components, performed a complete tune-up, installed new belts, and includes a brand new starter. The carburetor will likely require rebuilding after years of storage, but the truck also features power windows, power locks, a brake controller, and a Tommy liftgate. With only 68,000 original miles reported, this represents a rewarding restoration opportunity. Number 9. 1952 Dodge M37 Power Wagon, $3,500, Forest Grove, Oregon. The Dodge M37 Power Wagon remains one of the toughest military trucks ever produced in the United States. This 4-wheel drive example features a reliable inline-6 engine that reportedly only needs minor fuel system work to return to service. Built with exceptional durability and impressive off-road capability, the M37 has become increasingly popular among military vehicle collectors and overlanding enthusiasts. With a clean title and a largely complete configuration, it offers outstanding historical significance and restoration potential. Number 10. 1953 International Harvester R110, $3,400, Sutter Creek, California. This 1953 International Harvester R110 represents a unique alternative to the more common Ford and Chevrolet pickups of the era. Powered by the original 220 cubic inch inline-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it has recently received a top-end rebuild, radiator restoration, and a new master cylinder. Compression differences indicate additional engine work would improve overall performance, but the truck remains operational and retains a clean title. Increasing collector appreciation for vintage international pickups makes this an appealing restoration candidate. Number 11, 1969 Toyota HiLux truck, $9,500, Bremerton, Washington. Early Toyota HiLux pickups have earned a reputation for exceptional durability and historical importance, and this 1969 example showcases those qualities beautifully. Its original 3RC engine was professionally rebuilt approximately 4,700 miles ago, with documentation included. The truck starts easily, shifts smoothly, brakes confidently, and all lighting and instrumentation function properly. Its originality, documented maintenance history, and excellent mechanical condition make it one of the finest survivor examples available for collectors seeking an early Japanese pickup. Number 12, 1993 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $500, St. Croix Falls, Wisconsin. Offered at an extremely affordable price, this 1993 Chevrolet S10 is a practical work truck rather than a cosmetic restoration project. Powered by Chevrolet's dependable 4.3-liter V6, it reportedly runs, shifts, and drives exceptionally well despite its worn appearance. The custom wooden flatbed with side rails adds utility for hauling, while a recently replaced universal joint demonstrates continued maintenance. Although the truck currently relies on only the front brakes and has several cosmetic issues, its mechanical dependability makes it a useful budget work vehicle. Number 13. 1978 Chevrolet Louis Mikado, $6,500, Hesperia, California. The 1978 Chevrolet Louis Mikado, built by Isuzu for Chevrolet, has become one of the most desirable compact pickups from the 1970s. This completely original example remains 100% stock, features a manual transmission, and is reported to have absolutely no rust. It runs and drives exceptionally well while retaining its factory appearance, making it increasingly attractive to collectors. Original LUV models have become difficult to find in this condition, particularly examples that have not been modified. Number 14, 1972 Ford F100 Original Survivor, $9,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1972 Ford F100 is an outstanding survivor that proudly wears its original yellow paint and authentic factory appearance. Powered by a dependable 360 cubic inch V8, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs and drives exceptionally well. The body is remarkably straight with virtually no rust aside from a small area beneath the battery tray, while the floors, cab supports, bed, and interior remain impressively well preserved. Most accessories continue to function properly, requiring only minor attention to the electric choke. Genuine survivor trucks like this are increasingly sought after because they preserve the originality and character that many fully restored classics can no longer offer.